Okay, everybody. So we're looking at the close reading companion this time. So what I did was from this screen here, I click
Read.
I click on read, and I get all of these options. This is the first day read. This is your leveled reader. This is the day 3 or the Wednesday, the first close read. This is the first close read for this story. This is the day 4 close read or the Thursday close read, and this is the Thursday's close reading pages. So they're laid out in order for you. So I should have just read this already, so now I'm going into the close reading actual pages. And it's going to open up your book. This is a digital version of your close reading book. The great thing, I'm not sure if you ever noticed, but if you ever look up at the beginning of each of these close reading pages, there's a little hint here that tells you what story you're reading and what pages to look for this story if you had your physical book. Luckily, we don't have to worry about that because everything is digitized for us. We have the same effects icons up here as before. With these pages, you won't always need them. There's a couple pages where it asks you to circle or underline or box different items. That's when you'll use these tools up here. But for everything else, like these boxes right here and this writing prompt down here, all I have to do is click on it, type in my text, click add, and it's added. Give it a moment. Don't immediately close it if you need to close out of it. Give it a moment to save it. That way it updates it on your end and on my end so I can see how you responded. So if I close out of this, it should save my response. And there's my response. So it's saved. Now my teacher can see it and we can move on from there. If you want to edit using the same tools as before, you won't have this button, but you will have the note button to leave a note. If you have questions, you can leave a note pinned to the page and I should be able to see it and I can read your questions and I can follow up with you. There's the pin tool again and the highlighting tool. If you have any questions, reach out.